Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wendy and today we are going to cook some soft crunchy cardamom half cakes. So before we get started, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Leave a comment below of how you think about this recipe. And to make the half cakes, you will need 3 cups of self-raising flour. You will need margarine, 1 tablespoon of margarine, half a cup of sugar, cardamom, spice, and 2 cups of warm milk, whole milk. You can substitute the milk with water, it's optional, you can use water. And with the spice, I like cardamom, you can use lemon, according to what you like. You can use vanilla. And for the flour, you can use all-purpose flour. I will leave the recipe below for if you're using all-purpose flour, because you'll need baking powder, baking soda. I'll leave the recipe on my bio. So you also need cooking oil to fry the half cakes. You will need cooking oil to add to the 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to add to the flour, according to the amount of flour you are using. So let's get started, guys. So you first mix the dry ingredients. So I'm mixing my cardamom to the flour. You also add the sugar. Then you mix them well. My hands are clean. Don't worry. So they are well mixed up. So you add your margarine and mix it up well. So you add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And mix it well. Okay, I think it's ready. So you add your milk or water, warm milk, as you need the dough. So to make this kind of half cakes, your dough should not be too soft and it should not be hard. So when you are kneading and your dough is too soft and sticky, you add some flour so as to attain the right texture of the dough. So eventually you will notice that the dough doesn't stick on your hands. So our dough is ready. We'll set it aside, cover it with a clean kitchen towel. You can use aluminum foil or the transparent paper. So we set it aside and for 20 minutes, then come back and roll it up and fry it. Guys, our dough is ready. We're gonna roll it up. And before you roll your dough, your oil should be heating on low heat. So make sure you roll your dough on a clean surface. And we are gonna douse a little flour on the surface so that the dough does not stick. So make sure when you roll, it should be, when you cut it, your dough should be 1 centimeter thick. Your pieces, I mean. can see, it's almost 1 centimeter thick, so your pieces should be this thick. So guys, our oil has been heating for the last 5 minutes, so I'm going to test if it is ready by putting in a little piece of dough. As you can see, the dough is rising up, so our oil is ready. I'm going to put in the other pieces. So when the dough rises up, you turn to the other side. Then you increase your heat so that it can cook on maximum heat. Keep checking if it is browning on the other side so that you can turn them to cook on the other side. So as for mine, they are already brown, so I'm turning them so that they can cook on the other side. As for me, I like mine golden brown. So meanwhile, you set aside the place where you will put your half cakes after they are cooked. So you check that they are ready. Like a small one is for testing. So our half cakes are ready. So you reduce the heat. Sorry. Remove your half cakes. They are ready, guys. Place them aside. As you can see. So you just add the remaining pieces. So you repeat the same process. When they rise up, you turn them. So guys, as you can see, our mandazis are very crunchy, tender and soft. Let me taste them. It's very tasty and I can feel the cardamom flavor. Oh my, it's very sweet. You can take this with tea or any soft drink, or rather you can just eat them like that. They're very tasty. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Here's where we do great things. Bye.